Today's recipe is a favorite of many of my personal chef clients, and so many of them didn't know how much they enjoyed curry flavoring until they tried this dish. So I've got half-inch thick pork chops that I've salted and peppered on both sides, and now I will dredge them lightly in flour and cook them over medium heat in butter until they're browned on both sides. I remove the browned chops to a plate, and now in the same pan I will saute some onions and cook them until they're softened. Then I'll add some mild curry powder as well as some powdered ginger. Stir that around. And then we'll add some peach nectar, some fresh lemon juice, some seasoned salt, and a cup of chicken stock. Now bring the mixture to a simmer and add the pork chops back to the pan and cook them covered for about 30 minutes. Now add some sliced peaches and cook uncovered for another 5 minutes. Now I've thickened the sauce with peach jam and a cornstarch slurry, and now I'll add the pork and the peaches back to the pot, and you have got one beautiful entree. And you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.